Hi and welcome. Today, we are going to look at a very common question: how to change the language in Elementor. It's actually much simpler than you might think. Many people look for a language setting inside the Elementor editor itself, but the secret is that Elementor's language is directly controlled by your main WordPress settings. Let's walk through exactly how to do it. The primary method, which changes the language for every user on your site, is done through the WordPress general settings. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you are in, look at the vertical menu on the left side of your screen. You will need to find and click on the settings option. A submenu will then appear, and from that list, you should select General. This will take you to the General Settings page where you can configure the basics of your site. On this page, scroll down a little bit until you find the setting called Site Language. You will see a drop-down menu next to it, likely showing English, United States, by default. Simply click on this menu, and you will see a long list of all the available languages that WordPress supports. Carefully scroll through the list and select the language you want to use for your website's backend and for the Elementor interface. After you have selected your new language, you must remember the most important step. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click the blue Save Changes button. WordPress will take a moment to install the necessary language files for your selection. Now, the next time you go to edit a page with Elementor, you will see that all the interface elements, like the widget names, the settings panels, and the buttons, are all displayed in the new language you just chose. But what if you only want to change the language for your own user account, without affecting other users? This is very useful for websites with multiple authors or editors. WordPress has a built-in feature for this as well. Again, from your WordPress dashboard, find Users in the left-hand menu and then click on Profile. On your personal profile page, you will see a language option with a drop-down menu. Here, you can choose a specific language that will only apply to your account. This personal setting will override the main site language, but only when you are logged in. Everyone else will continue to see the site in its default language. After making your choice, just scroll down and click the Update Profile button. It is also very important to understand that this entire process changes the language of the Elementor interface. This means the tools you use to build the page will be in a different language. It does not automatically translate the actual content on your website, like your headings, paragraphs, and button text that your visitors see on the live site. To create a truly multilingual website where visitors can switch between different languages, you will need to use a dedicated translation plugin such as WPML, Polylang, or Translate Press. So there you have it, a complete guide to changing the language inside your Elementor editor by using the WordPress settings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple tutorials and WordPress tips just like this one. We'll see you in the next video.